1 Hour English School.
Learn English as a skill.
Capitalization. Rules for capitalization. 1. Capitalize the first word of every sentence and of every sentence within a quotation. For example, a voice from my left side said, "How can I help you?" But do not capitalize quoted words that are not a complete sentence.
For example, a voice from my left side asked if I wanted cream, sugar, or dessert.
2. Capitalize the names of days, months, and holidays. Do not capitalize the seasons of the year, fall, spring, summer, and winter. As example, Wednesday, May, Memorial Day. 3. Capitalize the names of specific people, institutions, places, including the names of cities, states, regions of a country, and countries and their languages. For example, the famous poet from Ireland, Seamus Heaney, spoke at Richland College in Dallas, Texas, in Fannin Building, living half of each year in the East while he teaches at Harvard University. He really travels to the Southwest. He spoke about the roots of the Catholic and Protestant conflict. 4. Do not capitalize directions. For example, turn east at the stoplight.
5. Capitalize people's titles and their abbreviations. Mr. Heaney was introduced by Professor Jerry McElveen.
6. Capitalize the names of specific courses. Elizabeth has entered into the undergraduate program. She is going to take History 101 and Political Science 201. 7. Capitalize the first word, the major words, and the first word after a colon in a title. Do not capitalize articles a and, the coordinating conjunctions and, or, for, and prepositions under 5 letters long, of, by, on, within titles. Beauty and the Beast movie title. As example, The Last Laughs, The Best and Worst of 1992, essay title, No Jacket Required, album title. Another Day in Paradise, song title, Sports Illustrated magazine title.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe 1 Hour English School. Like, comment, and share.